Dame la plata, plata. Cash, cash, cash. Get money, get money. It's bam, bam, bam. Hey, it's bam, bam. She wanna flick for the gram. Plus, her baby sabe who I am, so she wanna do it all on cam. Like, hold up, sabe how to hold a pull up. Soon as we done, I'ma roll up. Full lines are better, I pull up. Papi te paga los biles, pero quiero todo lo tuyo. Prefieres hacerlo conmigo que siempre lo hacemos bien duro. I bought a Benz straight from the trap. I don't like paying no taxes. I don't need friends, solo una mami. Papi te enseño what racks is. Me and my chick, we got a chick. Yeah, we treat her like a pet. She keep it G, she keep it tranqui, but she be down with the set. Ay, me and my chick, we got a chick. Yeah, we treat her like a pet. Ay, EBK if you all in the way, you in the field with a vet. Ay, bam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Plus, her baby sabe who I am, so she wanna do it all on cam. Like, hold up, sabe how to hold a pull up. Soon as we done, I'ma roll up. Full lines are better, I pull up. Ay, bam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Plus, her baby sabe who I am, so she wanna do it all up.
What's going on, guys? It's Gene, aka LS Turbo Intake, and welcome to my channel. Super excited for this video today. As you can see, I've got my son's MK8 in the background with no wheels. So he's super excited. He's been reaching out to me and sending me all kinds of different wheels that he's interested in. And because the Volkswagen world I'm not too familiar with, I had to actually see what's out there. I know in a lot of the car shows I attended this year, I do have a lot of Volkswagens in my videos. So I had to go back and check those out just to get an idea on what everybody's been doing with their Volkswagens. So what my son has here is a 2023 Volkswagen GTI, and I believe these are called the MK8s for the newer series. And as you can see, it's already been wrapped. My buddy James from Team Elevate did the work. So if you guys want to check out that video, I'll post the link in the description below. So he finally found some wheels and he asked me my opinion on them because I like more of the aggressive stance. I wasn't sure if the wheels that he was interested in was that look. So what he ended up doing was sending me some pictures of the wheels on the car. Not that particular car that he bought it off of, but what the wheels would actually look like on the MK8. And it actually looks pretty good. So right behind me, he went ahead and he picked up the wheels. And so I'm gonna go ahead and install it for him. But here they are, guys. These are the Konig flow forms. Super clean. They are a square setup. They are 18-inch wheels. I'll post the specs, but it's got a nice finish to it. And what's kind of cool are these center caps. It actually hides the lugs and it makes it look like it's just a center locking type wheel. So super clean. I think it's gonna look really good. I'm not sure if he's gonna need to run spacers with these wheels, since even though I know what the offsets are, I don't know what the offsets are on these cars on getting that flush fitment. He is running the Continental Extreme Contact tires. They are square, like I said, 235, 40, 18s on all four wheels. I've already got the car on jacks. We're gonna go ahead and slap these on and see what they look like. I think it's gonna look super clean. Hopefully it's gonna be flush. If not, I mean, we can always get some spacers put on. But I think it's gonna look super clean with these wheels. So I don't know if he picked these up on the Facebook forum or on one of your guys' Volkswagen forums. The tires are brand new and the wheels are actually brand new as well. I guess the guy he got them from decided he wanted to go a different direction. So all I did was tell my son just to make sure these wheels are correctly spec'd for the Volkswagen GTI. We're gonna slap the wheels on and we will see if we need spacers or not. And then we'll go from there. Now, also guys, once we get the tires installed, we're gonna check it out and see what it looks like. And then I'm gonna bring it right back into the garage. But what we're gonna do next is we're gonna install some lowering springs and kind of close up that gap a little bit. So he did order the lowering springs from BMPTuning. He did go with the 034 Motorsports lowering springs. He also ordered the upgraded top hats because I was told they are prone to failure, and that's these ones here. 034 Motorsports. And it's got the hat here. Here's the other side. So these springs are for the rears as indicated with the R, and then here are the fronts indicated with the F. Again, these are from 034 Motorsports. It looks just like my H&Rs. So it shouldn't be too complicated. I did watch a couple videos. So this won't be a DIY type of video. It's gonna be more of a come along and enjoy the experience type of video, just so I can put some different content out there. I want to get my son's MK8 out there as far as all the upgrades he's been doing, so I think this would be a really great video to show what he's doing as far as lowering. I also had him pick up some more tools because there's quite a bit of specialty tools that you need to do the install. For example, we'll need this. This will be the Strut Nut Socket. This is what's going to help remove the nut on the top hat, so we can separate the spring from the struts. I'm still trying to figure out whether I'm gonna go this way. This is gonna remove the axle nut. It is a 12mm 12-point socket. He did grab both the shallow and deep. I've seen quite a few videos where guys don't remove that. Instead, they remove the spline bolts that's holding the axle. I did go that route when I did my Porsche. It's kind of a pain to get all those bolts off. So maybe I'll do it from just the axle nut in the front. We'll see. I'll decide once we get going. Then we also have the pry bit socket. This is what you're gonna put behind the knuckle. You turn it and basically it's gonna create that space so that strut, as it's sitting in that knuckle, it'll free it up. Last but not least, we do have the spring compressor tool I had him pick up. I think he went to AutoZone or O'Reilly's, I'm not sure. Basically, this is what we're gonna use, guys, to compress the spring, to remove the top hats, and then reinstall it with the new spring. So we'll have to compress it so we can get that top hat back on. So if you guys haven't installed a spring before, you guys are definitely going to need to use this. You guys can rent this anywhere: AutoZone, Advanced Auto, O'Reilly's. All you got to do is just have your driver's license and then a deposit. They won't charge it to your account. It's just going to hold there until you return it, because if you don't return it, then they're going to basically charge you for it. So we got that. All right, fam, let's get these wheels on. Pull it out to the backyard, see what it looks like, get some cinematics, pull the car back in. The reason I want to do that is I want to get some before and after, so I want to see what it looks like. So guys, if you like the content, please consider subscribing, hit those post notifications, that way every time I drop my videos you guys will be notified. And if you guys have any questions or any comments, be sure to post them below. Also, you guys can follow me on Instagram at LSTurboInteg. All right guys, we got a lot of work. Let's go ahead and get started.
Hey. They act like they ain't know. Guess I gotta hit them with the update. Okay. I been getting to it when I'm up late. Hit it when you went the front gate. They act like they ain't know. Hold up. Guess I gotta hit them with the update. Really with it, I ain't got a pump fake. Killer flow and hit them with the one take. Act like they ain't know. Guess I gotta hit them with the update. Okay. I been getting to it when I'm up late. Yes, sir. Hit it when you at the front gate. Act like they ain't know. Guess I gotta hit them with the update. Really with it, I ain't got a pump fake. Killer flow and hit them with the one take. Please tell me what's to them boys. I know they ain't talking about me. Hold up. All up in the DMs for the feature. I know they ain't talking about free. Shorty, no lie, no leap. I ain't gon' lose no sleep. You don't have in this Jeep. What you gon' sow, you gon' reap. Bet I'm gon' kill what I eat by the end of this beat. Put a little honey in my tea. Put a little pep in your step. I bet on my soul we feast. Bet you don't go, I bet you don't know these freaks. Got it hitting that note on key. Put it on baby, on mammy, on God, on me. You not no G. I be in the spot low key. I been at the crib, probably wonder how I got your key. They act like they ain't know it. Guess I gotta hit them with the update. I been getting to it when I'm up late. Hit it when you at the front gate. They act like they ain't know it. Guess I gotta hit them with the update. Really with it, I ain't got a pump fake. Killer flow and hit them with the one take. Act like they ain't know it. Guess I gotta hit them with the update. I been getting to it when I'm up late. Hit it when you at the front gate. Act like they ain't know it. Guess I gotta hit them with the update. Really with it, I ain't got a pump fake. Killer flow and hit him with the one take. Please tell me what's to these lanes, they must be out of their mind. Must be. All up in that face tryna hit up, I know he ain't talking about mine. Putting that work on my grind, putting that perp in my lung, I'm putting that work on her spine. Put a little drink on my tab, long as she working that back, I ain't hurting, I'm fine. I bet I go earn it right back. Just hit up my jack, got him working my line, I stay in my lane. I ain't even tripping off yours, I'm too worried about mine. You not on no rise, ain't having no motion, we so tired of your lies. Ain't one of your guys, can't fit in my shoes, little buddy, them not of your size. They act like they ain't know. Guess I gotta hit them with the update. I been getting to it when I'm up late. Hitting when you went the front gate. They act like they ain't know. Guess I gotta hit them with the update. Really with it, I ain't got a pump fake. Killer flow and hit them with the one.
They keep asking how it sound, nigga. Ice and Winnie's in your town. Ayy, sitting like a boss, bring the workers out. Press on the exhaust, we be skirting now. No, we not the same, what you talking about? Got me all up in your mentions, musta heard around. How that sound, yeah that sound good, tell them break it down. Ice so Wendy's in your town, don't forget the dollar sign. How that sound, yeah that sound good, tell them get in line. Hold it down, came up from the underground. How that sound, yeah that sound good, sounds good. How that sound, yeah that sound good, sounds good. How that sound, yeah that sound good, sounds good. How that sound, yeah that sound good, sounds good. Fake niggas in the picture, let me crop them out. They told us trust the process, we ain't stopping now. They know that it's a scene when we popping out. Came up from the dirt, yeah we popping out. This our year, yeah, we finna lock it down. We the top boys in your city when we come around. ISO no POP, tell them hold it down. We been dropping every month, we ain't slowing down, nah. Ayy, sitting like a boss, bring the workers out. Press on the exhaust, we be skirting now. No, we not the same, what you talking about? Got me all up in your mentions, musta heard around. How that sound, yeah that sound good, tell them break it down. Ice so Wendy's in your town, don't forget the dollar sign. How that sound, yeah that sound good, tell them get in line. Hold it down, came up from the underground. Ayy, tried to play me back then, but you learning now. Do not play with fire, you be burning out. It's like butter, baby butter when I churn it out. They gon' talk behind your back until you turn around. 360, I'm on preheat, I be baking all the good. Chef Curry hit my shimmy, throw it up at half court. Tryna beat me, bet you can't, you would do it if you could. ISO to the indies, now you got it understood. Yeah, sitting like a boss, bring the workers out. Press on the exhaust, we be skirting now. No, we not the same, what you talking about? Got me all up in your mentions, musta heard around. How that sound, yeah that sound good, tell them break it down. Ice so Wendy's in your town, don't forget the dollar sign.